are huge. There's some big stuff out here.
Oh my God, they shooting stuff off here on the parking lot. Wow.
I feel like our people like gas station.
Like shooting their fireworks off on the parking lot. Ooh, pretty.
So I guess if you want to have it like maybe around you think noon would be okay? Like noon to like 1:30? Or is that too
Maybe
early
one
for you?
to
Huh?
what about one? Do you think people would? It's a Saturday, so